Welcome to Stupid Bird Review! Stupid Bird Review is back with a stupid bird! A bird that is so stupid it doesn't even have a brain! So this stupid bird right here is the barn owl. So he's white underneath here. His gray feet. A gray beak. And he hisses. He was made in 2010. WildRepublic.com. His tag, Barn Owl. Birds of Prey Series 1, Barn Owl. And he has these dark eyes. He has a ruff around his neck that's orange. In spots. He has kind of a pointy tail. Let's see the inside, and here's his feet again. Let's see his tag. So he was released on February 23rd, 2021. That was recently. Here's the stuff. Here's the description for the bird. And also in French. Here's the range. Until it's in the, it's permanent in the south, and summer's up north, more further north. Here's some backyard birds, for some reason. There's a code back here, it says Barn Owl. And on the inside of the tag, it says 2002, even though he was released in 2001. Here's when it was recorded. I'm good to give this one a 10 out of 10. It's very good, it's very well made, and it also has this fluffy thing right here. And I also have a big one. Yep, I have a big barn owl and a little barn owl. Here's the big one, here's the little one. So its face is a little brighter. And its feet, however, have more of a longer look to them. Still has a fabric beak. Similar spotting. It's overall brighter. And it was made in 2007. It's very faded now, but it used to say 2007. You can still see it back here. So yeah, that's the owls. They're pretty cool. This one works too.